Have you ever noticed team misalignment in your SaaS company? It often starts slow. At first, everything feels aligned. Your small team communicates directly. Decisions come quickly, and there's clarity. But as your SaaS scales, alignment begins to break down. More people mean more communication, and that's when things shift. Teams may start working in different directions, and misalignment can create friction, a slowdown in execution. This doesn't appear as outright failure, it often shows through increased meetings, clarification requests, and a lack of clear outcomes, despite possibly having more hands on deck. The critical issue lies in the fact that alignment doesn't automatically scale with growth. It needs a robust structure. Without this structure, each new hire adds complexity, creating gaps in communication and expectations, leading to inefficiencies in team workflows. To fix misalignment, start with clarity. Teams must understand what matters and why. Shared visibility is paramount. Everyone should know how their work connects to the bigger picture. Establishing a communication structure helps ensure information flows consistently, improving overall efficiency. Now that we know the path to alignment requires clear communication and organizational structure. Focus on defining roles and objectives clearly. Each member must know. With a solid framework, teams can perform better together. Accountability fosters a culture of mutual respect and collaboration. When every team member understands their impact on overall success, they work towards a shared goal with enthusiasm. In closing, the future of SaaS relies on embracing alignment as an ongoing practice, not just a goal. By establishing structured frameworks, teams can achieve sustainable growth and maintain their competitive advantage in the market. To learn more about how to scale your SaaS with systems, structure, and clarity, subscribe to our channel and visit SaaSFounderSystems.com. Together, we can transform your team's alignment and boost your SaaS growth journey.